In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a signature from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy skill to have when dealing with signed documents where alterations are necessary or if an error was made in the initial signing. Let's dive into the process step by step and ensure that you can manage your PDFs efficiently and effortlessly. First and foremost, you need to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installed on your computer. Once you've confirmed that, you'll want to start by opening the PDF file from which you wish to remove a signature. Launch the application and navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and then select Open, which will allow you to browse your files to find the specific PDF document you're planning to edit. Upon finding it, a simple double click should open the file within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now that your file is open, the next step is to locate the specific page that contains the signature you aim to remove. You can do this by scrolling through the pages using the navigation pane on the left side of the window. This pane can show you thumbnails of each page, making it easier to spot where the signature is located, especially in longer documents. Once you have identified the correct page, focus your attention there. With the desired page in view, it's time to address the signature itself. Position your mouse cursor over the signature. This allows you to interact with it. You're looking to right-click on the signature, which will open a context menu. The options within this menu are specifically tailored to actions you can take concerning the signature or annotations on the page. In the context menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Clear Signature. Hover over this option and select it with a left click. What happens here is that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC will prompt the removal of the signature, effectively erasing it from the document. You'll see that the once signed spot is now clear, as if the signature was never there in the first place. And just like that, you've successfully removed a signature from your PDF. That's all it takes. A few straightforward steps in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to efficiently manage the signatures within your PDFs. Remember, removing signatures is often required in document management, whether due to signing errors or making necessary document updates. By understanding how to clear unwanted signatures, you increase your control over the integrity and accuracy of your digital documents. Thanks for following along. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more confident in handling signatures in your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.